Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 23rd of September, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, we were long from today, as you can see here. If you look at in the 4-hour, as I mentioned in my yesterday analysis, the price developed bearish flag pattern. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link is given in the video description. So we had the short trade after the FOMC statement, bank beautiful pips this morning. That's what we explained to my trader. If the price, you can see here, this is the previous low, right? Explain to my trader, if the price going to stay below that, probably we're going to be continue short. If the price develop false breakout, we'll see what sort of candle is developing. If you look at this candle, it look like it's a morning star candle, even though this candle is big, but at the bottom you can see it. That's what we explained to my trader. If the price is going to fail to maintain below this level, then probably going to be taking, this is based, by the way, this blue line is monthly support line. And if the price respect, then probably going to be taking a long trade here. And that's exactly what we did. And we were taking a pullbacks long on Euro USD. Let me share with you intraday analysis, how I analyze and help my traders to bank some profit. If you look at the intraday analysis, okay, so this is the trade guides after the FOMC statement. We have this breakout and bank beautiful pips. That is the basically short trade here. In if you look at the 4-hour, that's what exactly we have taken it. Let me get my pointer. This is the breakout, and that's the breakout in intraday taken after the pullback short trade. This was the trade yesterday at the FOMC statement news release, and today, as I'm explained to you in 4-hour, this is what happened. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for pullback at this level. Pullback. That's what I explained to you. This is the previous high is broken. That's what we're looking at. Pullback. That's the first priority. Otherwise, the breakout, but we need a confirmation. As you can see here, price broken. Develop a confirmation. If you look at the bottom, momentum is bullish. So that was the confirmation. And then we have taken a long trade here. Bank few PPs. And at the latest stage, explain to my trader, just keep taking pullback long trade as long as the momentum is bullish. As you can see here, after banking some profit, look for another pullback. You can see here, beautiful, another pullback, and then price nicely hit to the previous high, which is, you can see here, this level. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to consider banking some pips. So we were long from here. As soon as the price broke on the previous high, pulled back long here, one here, two here, so 3 pullbacks. So I said, explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks, bank amazing profit. Okay, so let's look at the pound dollar, all the cable pair. We had amazing trade guys today. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, this is the FOMC news reaction. As always, we were watching this level because if you look at this previous high, and explain to my trader, if the price going to stay below that, we're going to keep taking a short trade here. And if the price respect, then we're going to, and if the price is going to break this level, then taking a pullback long. And if you look at the previous candle, this candle is bullish engulfing candle, and price broke on this level. That's the good sign. And that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to. So we had this breakout in intraday, and we will keep taking a pullback long trade here. And we just finished close over trade, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank beautiful pips today. If you look at the intraday, this is the analysis this morning. As explained to my trader, look for this breakout. That's 4-hour chart, you can see. And in intraday, you can see that's the explain to my trader, look, momentum is developed bullish, so look for this breakout and keep taking a pullback. So we have breakout, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. So we had a beautiful, and just before the news release, and I explained to my trader, it's time to consider banking some pips, and let's wait to the news. The news was good for the pound, As you can see here, after the news, price develop another pattern. We have this breakout after the news release, and then we take another pullback, and I keep telling my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we had a beautiful long trade. And then at the New York session, as I said to my trader, because the currency, the pound dollar is under influence of the fundamental news that's released, so we just keep taking a pullback. Even now, I said to my trader, the first priority would be the pullback. The only way we're going to look for counter short trade, even the price was at this level, I explained to my trader, only way we're going to look at, if the price is going to break and retest, then we're going to take a short trade here. Otherwise, we're going to keep taking a right. You can see here, we have one pullback, bank beautiful pips. We have another one. As soon as the price about to hit the previous high, explain my trader to it's time to bank some profit because we are just closed London. So we can see we had amazing trades on pound dollar, and all this analysis is given in real time, and then explanation is given in real time through live RG commentary, and all this analysis broadcast in real time, and that's helping traders through live audio commentary to make sure they don't miss any opportunities, because if they make money, I make money. So they are my traders, so that's what I help in real time. If you look at the dollar CAD, we had an interesting trade. We were short whole day. We had a counter long trade, but which we came out at the break even. Let me explain to you today. All right, so you can see here yesterday, this is the market, FOMC reaction. Price came back and retest. This morning, when the price developed, this one is a bearish engulfing candle. As I mentioned yesterday, we had a third touch. Price again respected this level. We have a bearish engulfing candle that give us the information. So I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, and let me share with you the intraday analysis, and keep taking a pullback short trade here. And let me show you the intraday analysis, how I analyze. So we had a beautiful short trade. Okay, so this morning you can see the price. When I started my London session, the price was already moved. We have this pattern, and as explained to my trader, look, because momentum is developed bearish, so we have two possibility. If the price is going to break this previous low, which I explained here, then we're going to take a short trade here. Otherwise, if the price is going to come back and hit this level, and then taking a short trade here. So I explained both of them, pull back short, and that's what exactly. So you can see here, the price nicely broken the previous low, and that's why we take another short trade here. And then afterwards, another pullback, and we keep taking it. We had such a nice, beautiful short trade on dollar CAD based on the 4-hour analysis. And you can see here, we bank amazing profit. All right, so at the New York session, this was the analysis in the London morning. New York session, price developed sort of consolidation because of the 200 EMA at that level. So as I always explain to my trader, look for this breakout, and you can see here, breakout, bank beautiful pips, and then another pullback. As soon as the price developed double bottom, because the price was at the 200 EMA, we were expecting price might going to reverse. So we banked beautiful pips, and then I did another analysis. As soon as the price reversing is counter long trade, which price nicely developed, and then basically this trade we came out at the break even. But in London morning session, we had an amazing ride, beautiful pips. We had such amazing trades. Another beautiful trade was the pound yen. That was the beautiful trade. We just keep taking a pullbacks, and really enjoyed it. That was the best trade of the day today. If I show you, if you look at the pound dollar, pound yen, you can see here, I said to explain to my trader, if the price is going to break this previous high, then keep taking a long trade here, pullback long trade. And later on, news also supported, so we had a beautiful. So if you look at the intraday analysis, how I analyze market, and if you look at this and this morning, the price was reversed here at this level, and that's what we explained to trader. Look for any pullback. Explain to my trader any pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected and develop another pullback here at the blue fib channel. We have another pullback, and keep taking a banking some profit. And after the news release, price develop a consolidation. I explained to my trader, momentum is still bullish, news is good for pound, so probably price might gonna break this level. So that's what I explained. And you can see a breakout, and afterwards we have another correction and another pullback, breakout, beautiful. So as soon as the price hit the first target, explain to traders, bank some profit. And then at the New York session, as always, look for another breakout and pullback because the momentum was bullish. As you can see, the news, the pound was under influence of the fundamental. As you explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely, as explained exactly. A trader was expecting the price might gonna come back at this level, you can see here, but I said to my trader, in intraday we're only going to look if the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation. Otherwise we're gonna carry on riding. You can see we another pullback here, we have another pullback here. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So you can see here how I analyzed in 4 hour, explained to my trader, and we were taking a pullbacks, banked amazing profit on pound yen. All right guys, I hope you enjoy. We can see all of them, 25 analysis, most of them. Consider banking some pips. Any pair you pick up, we explain in more details, every single pair. Look at the Kiwi dollar, beautiful. This was the pretty straightforward breakout. You can see here that was a pretty straightforward breakout and the pullback, beautiful trade. Aussie dollar, beautiful pullback, long trade here, breakout, long trade here. You can see this was the breakout. Let me share with you the quickly analysis. As you can see here, the dollar was weakening this morning. You can see here this is the first breakout, and afterwards you have another channel breakout, beautiful, and beautiful long trade. So we had amazing trade, guys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and as always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time with the live audio commentary support and banking pips in real time. And the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time. Once you develop and produce consistency result through this live intraday analysis, I can also help you get funded. If you are interested how I train people with the live market through live intraday analysis and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given below in the video description. Most welcome. And even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.